Do you have debt that is getting in the way of you purchasing your home? Well, if you or someone you know are eligible for the VA loan, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to be discussing how you can use seller credits to pay off those debts. Hi everyone, I'm Shakelia LeBlanc, aka the Loan Slayer, and I'm your guide to the journey home. Today I'm going to discuss seller concessions, closing costs, and how much you're eligible to get in concessions and closing costs to help you pay off your debt if you are a veteran. So take out a pen and a notepad and take some notes because I'm going to show you how to say hello to your new home. So what are closing costs? Closing costs are the additional fees that are associated with purchasing a home. These include attorney fees, title fees, credit report, appraisal, and inspection fees, as well as lender fees. All of these items are required in order for the loan to close and have to be paid the day of closing. So you wouldn't be able to roll these items into the loan. They're paid on closing day. Think about it when you book a hotel, especially the really nice hotels. You're thinking, okay, it says $300 a night, right? $300 a night to book this hotel. But at the end of the day, you end up paying $389 because there are taxes and resort fees. That is the same thing when you're going to purchase the home. You have fees that are associated with closing that loan. Now, VA differentiates closing costs from seller concessions. So what are seller concessions? Per VA guidelines, seller concessions are anything of value added by the builder or seller that the buyer does not pay anything additional, but the seller does not customarily pay or is expected to pay. These do not include closing costs, and they do not include buying down points that are appropriate for the market. Seller concessions do include the VA funding fee, prepayment of property taxes or homeowners insurance. They include a temporary rate buy down, and most distinguishably, they include the payment of the buyer's debt. And this is so important because no other loan allows this. The VA loan is the only loan that allows the seller to pay down the buyer's debt. And this is anything from car payments to installment loans, credit cards, even judgments or student loan. Anything that is a debt a seller can pay for on a VA loan. So how much can a seller pay? Well, for closing costs, there's not a limit on it. They can pay all your closing costs. But for concessions, there's a limit of 4%. So let's just say you're purchasing a home for $350,000. They can pay up to $14,000 in seller concessions. And remember, this does not include closing costs or payment of discount points. This is only for seller concessions. So at $350,000, they can pay $14,000 plus all of your closing costs. How does this help you as a borrower? Number one, it can help you if you are in the pre-approval stage and you're not approved for enough, or you want to be approved for a little bit more, or need help with qualifying. Ask your loan officer, is it possible that a seller concession to pay off your debt would help you qualify for more? Number two, if you are already under contract and there is an issue happening where you're not qualifying anymore, and sometimes this happens, maybe there's a new debt that was found out and you need a way to qualify. If you are using the VA loan, maybe you have a loan that's only $5,000 and that payment is $200 a month. Can you ask the seller to pay off that debt so that you guys can continue with the process and you can close on your loan. So number one, if you're in pre-approval stage and need some help with qualifying for a little bit more, or number two, if you're already under contract and something is happening, this may be a way to save your deal. So check in with your loan officer and see if that is an option for you. I have qualified people many times who have money for on any type of loan. They have money for their down payment, but are struggling with closing costs. And the condition of their pre-approval is, hey, Mr. and Miss Realtor, your client needs $5,000 in closing costs or $7,000 in closing costs in order to make this work. You can do the same thing with the VA loan as far as that. Yes, you're pre-approved. However, you need some funds to pay off debt to make it work. So that is going to be a part of the negotiation. So now you know, as a veteran or active duty military, how you can use your VA loan to have the seller pay off some of your debt. I hope this has really helped you. I love doing VA loans. I'm a certified veteran lending specialist. And if this has helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.